Welcome to Ambassadors for Christ. I'm Ambassador Lee, and all you got to do is put ambassador in front of your name, and you'll be an ambassador too. We can't all be evangelists, pastors, prophets, and teachers, but we can all be ambassadors. And today I want to talk about two things that are fundamental. Last session we talked about 10 Commandments. Now we're going to talk about two other things, which is number one is to read the Bible all the way through, right? Let's read the Bible all the way through. Read the Bible. There's only 66 chapters, or 66 books in the Bible. So it seems, arduous to some people, but it's not. You can get on Audible or whatever. But you need to read the Bible at least one time to be a great ambassador. I mean, you can just skip around and have a few verses, but we're talking about being an ambassador. Ready, right? You're ready. Ready for questions. Ready to discern the truth from error, right? So read the Bible. I mean, if you want to start by just reading Gospels, that's fine. You can just start with the Gospels. Because that'll let you know who Jesus is and you're ambassadors for him. But I recommend reading the Bible all the way through. And if you do that, if you take on this task, you can just start it on your own, which is fine. But if you know someone else who's done it before, a mentor of some sort, keep their phone number because you might get stuck. There's tough places in there. And I've done this before where I've read the Word and I set it down because I didn't agree with some stuff. I had to make a phone call. Calm me down. So get a mentor, right? Get yourself a mentor or somebody you trust. And the reason we read the Bible is because we've got to have that as our foundation. There's so many great stories. There's so many great things that happened to so many men who went through so many struggles and trials and tribulations that we can learn from them, right? Not all the knowledge of the universe is in the Bible, but there's so much knowledge in it and a lot of basic stuff you need to know. Like we talked about 10 Commandments in the last session. There's so much basic things that you just gotta master it. Right? At some point you got to get off the milk. You got to get off the tit, so to speak. And you got to stand on your own. And you really can't stand on your own unless you read it all the way through once. Okay? And get a mentor to help you. And then number 3, daily bread. And that's a heck of a bee there, huh? So daily bread. The prayer, give us this day our daily bread. All right? Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those that trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, Lord, but deliver us from evil. Daily bread, that's the Word of God. So after you've read it all the way through and you've done that thing, and it could take anywhere from a month to 6 months. I don't know how long it takes you to read, but Audible's quick. But once you get past that, then you can do the daily breads and you start meditating on the Bible. One paragraph at a time. One verse at a time. And I do this I'll write an acronym on my arm, like Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. So I'll write like a W, a T, and an L, right? And I look at it and go, oh, way, truth, and life. Jesus, way, truth. And so I meditate on that, right? So all day long I'm meditating on that one verse. And I've done this pretty much the whole Bible. So I'm not great at quoting chapter and verses, but I've meditated on every verse for at least a day, right, over the last 10 years. And so I can pretty much discern whether something lines up with the Bible or not when I hear it, right? And then if I'm confused still, I'll go back and I'll restudy it or ask some people some questions, or I'll get on Google, try to figure out some stuff. But daily bread's pretty critical. You eat every day for your body. You need to eat every day for the Word, for your spiritual body, right? We are the temple of the Lord, right? We're the temple. Can you believe we're a temple? The holiest of holies, and God put His Spirit in this thing. You ever cut a human being open? They don't smell that good when you cut, but yet we're the temple of the Lord, right? Our mind and our bodies are the temple. And we need to eat good food, right? Not only physical food, but mental food, spiritual food, right? Because as ambassadors, we're going to be in some situations, right, that are tough. And we need to be ready. So you got to know this is fundamental, okay? And we'll get off these basics pretty soon here and go into some deeper, higher spiritual stuff, which, this is kind of for the beginner, and then we're going to go into some intermediate stuff, and then if y'all want to hang out with me, we're going to go into some advanced level stuff to really get you sharp. And not all of us want to fight these spiritual battles. We just want to live our life and keep it simple. So if you just want to stay in this basic area, that's fine. But if you just master the 10 Commandments and you do this, you're going to have a great life. Just remember you're the temple of the Lord, and reading this and doing this every day will help you pretty much put God first, right? Help you put others second, and then realize, right, that you're last. And it's a little different than what the world teaches, right? The world teaches take care of yourself. And once you get yourself taken care of, then you can take care of others. And then maybe you can go to church. Seek ye first the kingdom of heaven. And all these other things, right? People that you need around you. Food, health, prosperity. They trickle down from God, right? Blessings come down from God. And so that's why we put Him first, and we put others second, and we keep ourselves third. And don't worry, there'll be plenty to keep you happy and healthy if you follow this formula. So we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.